Hello Forex pill traders. So here I'm giving you a pill on how to analyze EURGBP. Okay, this is one of my favorite pairs, and the reason for that is that it's easy to trade based on support and resistance. So if your strategy is based on support and resistance, buying low, selling high, this is your strategy, this is your pair. Okay, if you love those ones, and please don't forget to check the trading session, which is only London. Okay, I'll make a video on sessions later, but on analyzing EURGBP, you can see this is just each one. The market is always bouncing on support and resistance. You can see this is too long. My time frame is day one, and you can tell how many days from 18 May. Let me do this for you. From 18 May, you can see here it's 18 May here to 29 September. The market was just moving around, up and down, was just bouncing up and down like so. You can actually tell if you were expecting a trend that's a mess. Too much months up and down. Of course, a trend will happen once in a while, but most of the time we're just bouncing up and down, support and resistance. So if you are going to trade EURGBP, always remember, use the indicators which allows you to trade support and resistance, and use the strategy which is based too much on support and resistance. Even the market structures, which are mostly based on declining markets, not the continuous trend. Okay, you can see, like, if you will call this trend, I don't know what to call you, but this is not a trend as far as it looks. It was just a breakout, and then only one retracement, which you can call a trend based on William waves and all those other things which are actually analyzing the trend. So this is the simple thing to do. If you are going to trade Euro USD, consider the issue of channels which are based on declining, the rejections, support and resistance. This works very well here. Okay, you can see everywhere it's just a rejecting markets. This is, you can call this head and shoulder as you like, as you can see here, and then you have here, but still it doesn't materialize too much because Euro USD is just based on support and resistance. It bounce up, bounce down, bounce up. So your strategy must be on that. Thank you. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you subscribe, I'll always produce these kind of videos. Comment in the below, tell me which pair do you want me to show you how to analyze, and then don't forget to check in the description, because obviously you will find something which will be helpful for you. You'll find the links to Forex Pill apps. The one is for sale, $32 only. That app helps you to create your own auto trading robot as simple as possible. You will be just creating your robot as if you are setting indicators. For example, you can see here I've opened indicators, let's say moving average. Click it, put your period, put your shift, and then when you press done, you already have a robot which will trade using moving average. Okay, so buy the app, create your own auto trading robot. You can create as many as you want so that you can back test them. And then there is a app for course. Forex Pill app is for free. You just download it and learn everything about Forex Pill trading. Thank you. Don't forget to give me a like. Another video is coming. Please leave me a comment, tell me which pair do you want me to analyze for you. Sharp, sharp, sharp.